Hello guys, it's been a while. It's 3D Thunderbolt here, and today we're gonna be building the best tornado shelter with Mango. Say hi, Mango.
Yo!
That's it?
Yeah, what else do you want me to say? Yo, guys, it's your boy. Alright, let's start.
Alright, so what are you gonna start with first?
I'm gonna start with a... That's quite stupid.
Alright, I'm gonna start with mine, and we're gonna work our way up. Alright, hold on. Shit. Alright, so I have my thingy here. Because, you know, why not? There we go.
Alright. So, since 3D is gonna start like that, I'm gonna start with... What the heck? Actually, that's not gonna work. We're gonna do full window protection.
I'm gonna add a generator to the side.
Here in my garage.
Add like a little room that goes this way and make a bigger room. So this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. This is what you call a tornado shelter. Well, maybe, I don't know. The walls and the ceiling, but the floor can be like this. Alright? There we go. There you go. Alright. Well, here, I'm gonna use improved stacker. How about that? That's better. That's what I'm talking about right here. I'm gonna add a generator. Some here in there. Where is that generator? I mean, it should. Here, I'm gonna add this. How's Mango so far? What? I don't know if mine is gonna be the best now. Alright, let's just hurry up! Get this done. Alright, that's screw. Alright. I don't see a generator. Either way, I'm blind or is it just not there? Oh yeah, they do in vehicles. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Boom. So you can either hang out right here, or you can just go down this hallway and then boom. And then we used improved stack. So we got that out of the way. Hey, kind of fit nicely. Alright, and then low frame rate a little bit. The walls are sticking out. It's still for protection. Should I add upstairs or something? Why could I have just done that? Like this. Can we fit here? Nope, I'm too fat. Alright. Man, alright, yeah, I gotta add a roof now. Dang it. Which is no worries, I can still do this. Flatten that out a little bit. There we go. Oh, man, we gotta weld everything. Well, better get started. Oh Lord, why did I have to do this? Wait, what if I do this? No, that's not. Nope, not good, not good, not good. Let's speed run this, baby. Alright, let's see what's missing now. Hey, nothing's pretty much missing, which is job successful. Alright, but one more wall though. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is add tornado shelter. Yeah, right.
Oh no!
Alright, coast is clear. Alright. Now since we made it back, I keep glitching. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna add a couch. Please don't kill me. You know what it does. Once it flanks back, this is what it do. Well, see what I mean? It does that, so please do not. Well, here, this is what I'm gonna do right here. That's what I'm gonna do right there. And I'm get that yellow small couch, which is, it's right here. I'm gonna add a coffee table. Well, this is, I don't know what I'm doing to be honest, but it's supposed to be a tornado shelter. Like, come on, man. I'm gonna add a little thingy up here. What is it called? Little pipe up here. That's a big old one. That's not what we want. I guess we're gonna add a. Alright, now once we got that settled out of the way. Oh wait, should I remove this wall? No, I can't. I can't. Don't matter what. Alright, there we go. A duplicator, I'm gonna see if that worked out. Alright, there we go. Oops, I accidentally did that. You get to see this. We go to comic props. Since this is a tornado shelter. Shall we go spy on Mango? Sneaking. Alright. Alright. I want to add a table, which is, that's a shelf, but who cares? Where we can read books while we're in a tornado shelter. What is this, a vent? Oh, this is a, no, we're not doing that. A bench indoor. throwing. What is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna crack that open. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna throw a little swingy. Yeah, I want to turn my volume up a little bit. Alright, we got that out of there. We can proceed. Ooh, Storm Chaser house. Wait, Storm...
Ready, are you done?
Well, almost.
Alright.
10-4. This is kind of... Okay, how did you do that? Oh, there it is. How did he do that? Tell me. I turned him to the...
You had one job. You had one job.
What's that one job?
The one job of not making me look white.
Wait, I thought you were.
Oh, you son of... Are you almost done?
No, I'm done, I guess.
You're done?
No, I'm not done.
Alright, let's go get back to the Discord call.
Alright.
Alright, so me and 3D, we had a little bit of fun of making this. I know I look funny, don't you? You don't pay for that one. But anyways, so, we got my house, and we got 3D's house. So, who made the better house? Or will it withstand the tornado that we will destroy with this? So anyways, first, do you want me to look at your house or you want to look at mine?
I can look at yours first.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so my door doesn't actually work, so you have to actually no-clip in. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Okay, so what we have here is that we got a water fountain. You can drink water while in the tornado. You got a couch right here.
Personally, I like your shelter better.
I mean, I haven't seen yours. I can't give opinions.
I know.
So, we got a TV.
That is not a TV.
Well, it's a display, you know, it's good.
This
it's good
is a
for
TV
you.
right here.
We cheaped out, so we had to get like a $2 display. Also, we got a bathtub right here, toilet, and everything right here.
Ducks Gaming.
And if we go outside, there's some cameras that you saw.
A what?
Oh. Yeah, I had cameras. Oh.
Wait, cameras?
3D. Really? You had one job.
What?
You made me look like a tree, man.
How did you know?
I don't know what you did. But anyways, you want me to look at your house? Let's see.
Alright. You see this effect right here in the front?
Ooh, it looks nice. It's like if it's defecting you or something.
It's like we're going walking to the stairs to heaven. Oh. That's just faulty wiring.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
So as we're done with the house. The house.
Seems a bit empty, but...
Yeah, I know. I gotta add more stuff. I just felt lazy doing it.
But will it stand a tornado? So, you ready? F2. We're gonna spawn an F2. Alright. F2 tornado.
I think yours might survive. I don't know. Maybe.
Well,
Let's
survive.
Let's hope for the best.
Where is it? Yo. Oh, it's hitting mine. Uh-oh.
Oh, it passed mine. Hey, dude, mine's barely did any damage.
Alright, get in. Ooh. This is not good. Uh-oh, so, what are we looking at here? Did it do anything?
I don't think so.
Oh, never mind. What the heck? Let's try that again. That didn't really do anything. Better watch out.
I'm gonna be a cameraman.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Oh!
What did it do?
Wow, the storm chaser.
Mine didn't do anything.
Oh,
My gate is broken. I think we can officially say mine is the strongest.
Yeah, because the tornado was all the way back here and it didn't hit you.
Do you want me to try again?
Yes.
I
told you.
Oh, yo, that's lagging. Oh, man.
It's lagging.
Oh, wow. Wow, this is insane right here. Uh-oh.
Dude, look at the damage everywhere.
I can't.
Alright guys, we'll hope y'all enjoyed the video and I hope y'all see y'all later.
Eddie, what the heck?
I win!
The heck am I?
I win!
Well, we can end the recording. But I have to edit it later on.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video.